What if I told you that you're already connected to spirit, but you just haven't realized it yet? Yep, that flicker of knowing, that feeling in your chest, the image that pops in your head out of nowhere. It's not your imagination, it's communication. The truth is, mediumship isn't reserved for the gifted few. It's not something that you're born with, it's something that you remember. And on January the 26th, 27th and 28th, I'm inviting you to remember. This 3-day journey is for you if you feel like there's something there, but you just don't know how to connect. You've had intuitive flashes, but you're not sure if they're real. You already know that you're intuitive, but you need a reminder of what's possible. Or maybe you've been holding yourself back, afraid of getting it wrong or not being good enough. Does that sound familiar? Good, because you're exactly where you're meant to be. Over these 3 powerful days, we're diving into mediumship through the lens of mindset, trust and sacred practice. Each session's around 2 hours, and here's what you'll experience. On day 1, the remembering. We'll release fear, shift old stories, and reawaken your natural connection to spirit. And this is all about mindset, clearing doubt, stepping into energetic trust. And on day 2, the connection. You'll begin working with partners and in small groups to give and receive intuitive messages. Yes, you will give a message, and yes, it will blow your mind. And then on day 3, the integration. We'll explore how to ground, grow, and honor your connection. So you don't just have an experience, you walk away changed. You'll practice real time with guidance and feedback in a safe and loving space. No pressure, no performance, just presence. Mediumship isn't just about techniques or symbols. It's about learning to trust yourself. It's about quieting that voice that says, I'm not good enough. What if I make it up? What if nothing happens? What if people say no? This work is energetic, not performative. And when your mindset aligns with your intention, spirit shows up every single time. And by the end of these 3 days, you will have experienced your own connection to spirit, have read for someone else and received a message in return, feel grounded in trust, not fear, know how to continue practicing on your own or with others, and maybe most importantly, you'll stop waiting for permission and start remembering that you are the permission. So here's everything that you need to know. It's January the 26th, 27th, 28th, 6 p.m. UK time, 10 a.m. Pacific time, 1 p.m. Eastern time. And it's around approximately 2 hours per day. And it's online on Zoom. Registration is required, so look below for the or above for the link. You don't need to wait for a lightning bolt. You don't need someone else to open the door. The truth is, you are already connected. You just need a space to remember. And I would be honored to hold that space with you. So if your soul is nudging you right now, if your heart is saying, maybe this is for me, trust that, follow that. And I'll see you on January the 26th. Much love from me. Mwah.